Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to create a pipe joint. So the front view and top view is available with us. Now from the front view and top view we can calculate the dimensions. So first of all select the sketch plane. Top plane I have selected here. Sketch view. Now first of all we will create a base plate. We can roughly create the geometry and then can give the dimensions. So from the center the distance is 42, so that's why I am making it as 42, and the dimension of the hole again we can cross check it. So 512 is given, so diameter 12. Now for the outer hole, that is 5 is given as 56, so we will create it. And the radius is given 14 for the joints. We can say it as a coupling, so there the nut bolts can be arranged. It is basically a pipe joint. So R14 is given, so we'll make its diameter as 28. And now see in the line option, line tangent option we will select, so that the tangent lines to both the circles can be drawn. So first of all we are drawing a base plate. So for base plate, the center hub portion we can remove it by simply going to the option that is delete segment. So that delete segment option will be available in the editing tool. So this is color scheme error, no need to worry about it. You can close it from this option. If you keep the center hole as it is, what will happen when we will go to the extrude option, that complete base plate will take the thickness, but in this case what we want, base plate is separate and the center hub is separate. so that's why we are deleting it, and then again we will use the circle command and go to the option extrude, so that center hub portion can be extruded separately. Otherwise it will not be possible for to create the different extrude options for the same sketch. But that 556 circle we have created so that we can easily draw the tangents between the two circles. Now we will check what is the thickness. So click on OK button and let's check the thickness. So the thickness is 16. Now again we select the top plane so as to create the center portion with phi equal to 56, and in that we need to create a one hole of phi 32. So select the top surface, go to the sketch option, or directly even we can go to the extrude option. Now total height is 40 and base plate is 16. So 40 minus 16, so 24 we need to create its extrude length will be 24. Now again at the center we need to create a hole, so select the top surface, go to the sketch view option and then a circle. So 532. And click on OK. Now we need to reverse the direction of extrude so that the material will get removed. Okay. So we can finally save it in a working directory. Now fillet and rounding off is also seen in the figure, but we are not having the dimensions. That can also be done. You need to select the edge and go to the option round, so which is already the videos are available where round command is illustrated, that how it can be done and how we can use the round command for all the edges. Now this is the general view options. You can go to the shading options, shading with edges, and if you deselect it, then so the reference plane will not be visible and the clear object image can be seen. So see, from this 2D drawings we have created an object